Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to insert watermark in MS Word document. So very simple and basic way. Just guys, you have to design, and here the option watermark, click on it. You can see some style for watermark, this one, center, you can change text, so click on custom watermark and type your own text here. Click on OK. There are some more settings. You can change font, size and color. Then click on OK. That's it. So this is the way guys you can insert watermark in your MS Word document. Thanks for watching and please comment this video useful for you or not.